Hello, currently at Westfield, Bridgerton. Sinamahan lang namin sina Ella for, I don't know, ano nga bang purpose namin dito? I think for Isaac's birthday. Some things that we need to prepare for the 24th. So it's a good place. It's so-called mall here. Maliit lang. You know, this is a straight to the point mall to describe it. You can see Isaac, Iris, and Elaine. Nasa kabila. Approaching Kmart. Hello po. Oh, Roblox.
Ito talo, yun o, angko. Dito yun.
Oo nga. Local brand pala.
Ah, ito maganda o. Kapag kumaganda ito eh.
Stretchable. It's nice place.
Hello.
Yeah, look, let me find something here. It's Minecraft. Look. It's Minecraft. Look, there are buffers here. Come here, Isaac. Look. Look. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Tito Marco. Hello guys, Isaac and Ice here at Westfield. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Excuse me. Here you go. Isaac. No, you're too old for that.
I love
Okay. Hey Isaac, you're tired na? We're at the Package Save grocery. Lots of meat here. There. We're here just to buy Isaac his milk and maybe a little knickknacks or two.
yung pie, gusto mo?
The groceries here are like at par with the SNR that we have in Old Santa Mesa. Old Santa Mesa tol yung ano no, yung isang ano, yung isang SNR
Ah.
sa atin.
Oo, yung Manila. Manila, New Manila. Sa may Road.
New Manila o E-Road. Kala ko Old Santa Mesa pa.
Ito, sticky cheese.
Compact meal na to, no?
Oo. Ito yung nakahit lang nila.
These are compact meals and it's worth
Ito, pag
$3.99.
Ito, nagustuhan nito.
Mabigat.
Makuha nga. Mag-dito tayo sa Big Ben. Ito po, ayan. Pero gusto ko dito yung sticky. Stick and double cheese.
Oo. Mas mura pala yung Big Ben, pero mukhang ganun din sa bigat, ano?
Anong brand yung nakain mo dati, Tutoy?
Ano, that spice.
That's spice.
Tingnan natin.
There's my wife and Elaine. The wonders of cheese. Isaac. Remember when yesterday when we were at the Cookie Time store? So they sell it here in Pack and Save too. So many goodies. I wouldn't say seniors, but the old ones here are very, very active. They have an active lifestyle. They walk, they go to malls, and they talk, and everything. Yeah, this is a place for 60 and above too. Very great place. I mean, particularly, ito palang Pack and Save, puno ng mga senior citizen, and they all are very, very active. Gotta go. Hello, we are here at Bunnings Warehouse. Yeah, Bunnings. I thought I didn't get that right. So we're going inside and look for some tables yata. I don't know. Si Mark's ano, lakad. So we'll find out what's in store for us inside. See you. Here now inside Bunnings. So it's totally a big warehouse where you can buy industrial items and gardening paints and all. It's like their version of Wilcon, perhaps. I like this one. So mura daw dito. You can buy cheap and affordable stuff like gardening equipments. Say hi, everyone.
I sleepy.
Coffee shop.
Malapit na to sa atin.
Ay, yeah.
Sa labas.
Doon sa garden tatay. Pwede sa garden tatay. Saya dito. I mean, if you have lots of cash, then you can buy so much that you want. Especially sa papapaganda ng gardens. So they have stuff like this. Gazebos. Let me show you. I'll turn the camera around. Look at that. Okay, paalam muna later again. ano muna, I'll help out muna sa kanilang mga hinahanap na mga gamitin sa bahay. Then afterwards, you can show you around again if there's time. So right now, I'll just be waiting for Iris and Elaine to come join us. Nandun na sila, malapit na sila. There. Nandun. Lapit na. Afterwards, we'll be hitting to our store. Kailangan lang makita namin dito table yata and chairs. I think that will be used for Isaac's party. I don't know, or maybe kailangan nila. Maybe I'm just assuming it's for Isaac's party, but yeah, goodbye muna. I'll look around muna and see stuff, and then maybe I'll post photos too. Goodbye.